So you can see the invite code has been entered here. So if you want to get started, use this invite code and click on go. Hello family, welcome back to KatochXcrypto. In today's video, I will take you to the mintchain airdrop, and there's big news around mintchain, and that is its expedition is now live, which means you can participate and get a guaranteed airdrop, and they have made it official today. So let's dive in. Let's talk about mintchain. Now remember, if you missed participating in the mintchain, you can still participate. You can click on the link above to know about mintchain, the earlier mint forest expedition, and this one is about the new expedition, which is about completing set of tasks and getting the airdrop, guaranteed airdrop for sure. So without wasting time, let's jump right in. Let's talk about mintchain airdrop. Now before I begin, like I always say, please do remember to press subscribe and also press the bell icon if you haven't done already, and remember to join my Telegram group. The link is shared in the description. Every detail related to any airdrop, crypto pumps, crypto pre-sale, or new token launches or meme coin launches are shared there in the group. So click on the link below and join it right away. So what is mintchain, guys? Mintchain is actually this one. It is an native Ethereum L2 for NFT industry, bringing NFT into mass adoption. So it is layer 2 focused on NFTs, right? So recently, like just 1 hour back, they have launched something called as Mint Expedition. Now if you participate into Mint Expedition, you will get a guaranteed airdrop of Mint token. They have said it officially, and I will take you through the every detail that you need to learn before participating in this airdrop. Of course, the link is shared in the description. You can click on it. There is an invite code. You can use it and get started. How to do that, I will tell you in this video right away. So please watch the video till the end. So this is the information about mintchain expedition. If you expand it, it had said a new era of Web3 NFT begins today. Good morning, Mint community. Today they are thrilled to announce they have launched Mint Expedition. Again, a latest voyage with the flagship ecosystem set to revolutionize Web3 and NFT decentralized app. Now if you go down here, you can see the link of mintchain.io. If you click on it, it will take you through this page. So this page you can log in by using my link below and entering the invite code. Once you log in, it will take you through a set of tasks which I will show you right away. But before that, let me tell you the confirmation part. Again, if you go down here, you can see all the details written about the mintchain. You can see about mintchain, and here you can see this is about the mint forest. So they have 414k unique user who has participated in the previous mint forest task. If you haven't yet participated in it, you can click on the link above and participate right now. It is still running, and this is about the airdrop allocation. So mint blockchain, let me expand it first. So mint blockchain will allocate 12% of the mint total token supply to those participating in the mint voyages, which means this one and the last one. These tokens will be distributed during the airdrop season as a token of Mint blockchain appreciation and recognition. The users include Mint ID stakers, activated Green ID holders, and Mint Expedition user. So this video we are talking about Mint Expedition user. If you want to learn about Green IDs and stakers, you can join our Telegram, and there we will explain you everything. Again, the first two groups have been part of the mint voyage before the mint, and Mint Expedition is just launched, which is right now. So right now we will talking about this one, Mint Expedition, and if you participate in it, you will be eligible for the airdrop. Again, so this is the task that you need to perform. So let me just log in for you and show you how it is done. So click on the link below, and once you click on the link below, it will take you through this link, which is right over here, and you need to connect your MetaMask wallet by using your Mint blockchain, the public mainnet. Click on MetaMask, confirm it, and connect it over the Mint chain, Mint mainnet actually. So between this, another airdrop which is launching, which is Plume Network. If you want to check that out, click on the link above and check that airdrop also, which is also quite promising. So you can see the invite code has been entered here. So if you want to get started, use this invite code and click on go. So once you click on go, it will again sign you in, and once it sign in, it will take you inside the task. Click sign in, and these are the tasks. Mint will allocate 12% of the total Mint token supply to Mint ID stakers, Green ID holders, and Mint Expedition. So we are talking about Mint Expedition here. So again, you can buy the Mint ID on Blur. Green ID you can activate by clicking here, and here are my points, 200 MP in my wallet, and I need to collect more points, and more points I collect, the bigger will be my airdrop. Again, these are the tasks that you need to perform. Bridge to Mint, create NFT collection. These are all the tasks that you need to perform, and click on go and just start doing the activities. Once these tasks are done, they will bring new task, and with that, every time new task will unlock. So if you participated in Linear Park Airdrop or Linear Culture, it is something kind of same, right? So click on go and just do the task as they say, as they mention. So it is very easy, very simple, guys. If you face any problem, comment below, join my Telegram, and I will help you out for sure. So this is the bridge. They have their official bridge, and you need to swap Ethereum token from Ethereum or any other chain, any other layer 2 chain like Base or any other to Mint blockchain, and this task will be done. So that's how easy you can perform any task on this particular, expedition and get the points. Remember, more points will result in bigger and better airdrop. So click on the link below and get started. And if you face any problem, just comment below, join my Telegram, and I am there to help. Our community will support you and get you started with the Mint airdrop. Don't miss it, guys. It can be a big one for you in 2024. Go ahead, get some Mint, and let's meet in the new video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, join my channel, subscribe it, and join my Telegram. Thank you.